Hey everyone, Alex Quinn here with Arcan RV Edmonton. Today we're going over the 2026 Forest River ARPOD 205 floor plan. It's a brand new floor plan released by ARPOD and it looks absolutely fantastic. It's 25 feet long, dual axle, and only 4,300 pounds dry weight. So, even a small utility truck can tow this quite easily, even a larger SUV. It's pretty sweet. It's a little bit longer. You still get the nice aerodynamics of the ARPOD up front here, as well as a nice big front window here, which is pretty nice because you are able to prop that window open. You have a dual screen inside, one for a blackout blind and then one for a bug screen in case you want to get some nice airflow behind your head. You get a nice little rock art here up front, battery disconnect, two 20-pound tanks. Over here you get some decent pass-through storage, as well as a couple connections back there as well. Nice big power awning. You're gonna have LED lights, outside speakers. It's also gonna come with Suburban on-demand hot water, as well as some nice beefy tires, which looks really good on the ARPODs. Usually meant for a lot of off-road terrain, but honestly, you can kind of use this in any camping scenario you want. Over here, we do have our portable grill attachment. So this is kind of a little bit more newer for 2026. Get these nice sturdier metal brackets actually lock in, they're pretty nice. And then these all just come apart and you can put it inside your pass-through storage. You even have yourself a little hot-cold tap here, also known as your hot outside shower. It's also gonna come with these awesome solid steps. They have adjustable legs, and then when you're done with them, you sweep them off, walk them inside the door. You get a beautiful black entrance door. It looks very sleek, and a nice big beautiful window, which is great for when you wake up, make yourself a fresh pot of coffee and look out to your beautiful campsite. Come on in. So this is gonna be more of a rear kitchen, pretty spacious for an ARPOD, lots of cabinets kind of all around the top here of the coach. We also have yourselves a nice private bedroom, the RV Queen mattress. Here's that front window I was telling you about. So we have our blackout here, and then we also have our bug screen. You also get a nice little nightstand behind here too, which is pretty nice. You still get a decent amount of cupboard space here for any clothes, as well as you'll find yourself a lot of 12-volt USB ports around the coach. You'll have yourselves also your regular outlets too, just in case for CPAP. Storage underneath, a couple nice baskets, keep your clothes nice and tidy. And these are sliding doors too, so close them up, makes it look nice. Built-in AC. It's gonna come with a smart TV as well. Your dinette here, perfect for two people. It does drop down to a little bed, so maybe, if you had a guest sleeping over, that works really nice. Over here, you're gonna have a nice big 10 cubic foot fridge, which is pretty nice. These third generation 12-volt fridges are pretty killer. Way more space inside. They're a lot more efficient than how they used to be when they first came out. You are gonna have a nice big solar watt system up top. Cool thing with these ARPODs as well, you're also gonna come with your road vac. So, put your foot up, just like that. Something you'd find usually in a more of a luxury home or a new build home. So it's pretty sweet. Once you're done with everything, just kick it underneath. Plenty of storage for pantry. Come around here to the kitchen. 2-burner stove. Just folds up like such. And you get a ton of countertop space here. So when you're not using your burner, lay this flat and you have all this countertop space. You have your built-in convection oven with your air fryer. So it's just your Furrion. Pretty nice and handy. Some nice pull drawers for cutlery and utensils. You're gonna have your access to Bluetooth here. Lots of cabinet storage up top. And then over here, actually a pretty decent sized sink. So it's pretty deep. You even have a dual nozzle here too, just in case. Your own ARPOD cutting board sink cover. And of course you're gonna have your blackout blinds that go around basically the entire floor plan too. So it looks really sharp, really clean. This is one of my personal favorites. Not the ball of wine, but this little multifunction here outlet. So you have your USB, this will be for your 12 volt, and then you have your regular outlets there too. When you're done with this, you can just drop it. But there are plenty of outlets all around. You know, even the lights are pretty sweet. Pretty easy, you don't have to have all of them on at all times. You can kind of adjust, so those are pretty nice. So pretty spacious rear bathroom here. Plenty of room for people with longer legs. Nice beautiful mirror. You have your Furrion fan built in, 4-speed in the bathroom as well. And then last but not least, we have our nice comfy chairs. This is where you kick back, let things relax. And you know, if it starts getting cold, well, you can turn on your heated tanks because they also come with 12 volt heat pads on them as well. So thank you so much for your time, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a beautiful floor plan. I hope you'll love it, especially if you love the Arpod brand, but you want something a little bit longer, a little bit bigger, dual axle. It's a great option. So thanks so much for watching. My name's Alex Quinn.